Top 5 Best Underfloor Heating Mats. Number 5. Maxkosko Heating Cable Underlayment Membrane. Cold floors in winter are a cruel joke, but this heating cable underlayment membrane turns them into a luxury. Designed to work with any electric floor heating cable between 3.8 to 5.0 millimeters, it's the quiet hero behind warm toes in bathrooms and showers. The lightweight, waterproof HDPE and PP construction isn't just about comfort. It's about protection. Acting as a crack isolation layer, it keeps tiles and grout from succumbing to subfloor shifts, expansion, or small cracks. Installation feels more weekend project than contractor nightmare. Spread the right thin set, press the mat into place, weave the heating cable through, cover, and set the tiles. Most jobs wrap up in a single day. Once in, it creates a stable, warm surface that stays solid even over wood subfloors with slight movement. Maxkosko, with over a decade in the US and Canadian heating market, delivers this at a fraction of the price of big-name brands without cutting corners. It's a smart pick for anyone tackling a renovation who wants durability, warmth, and a little engineering peace of mind under every step. Coming in number 4. LuxHeat 35 square feet floor heating mat kit. Turning cold floors into a spa-like experience, the LuxHeat 35 square feet floor heating mat kit brings both warmth and style to any renovation. Designed for tile, laminate, and more, it arrives as a complete package. Self-adhesive heating mat, cable monitor, and the sleek OJ Microline touchscreen thermostat with built-in GFCI protection. The mat's 3-inch pre-spaced design makes layout simple. It can be cut, flipped, and turned to fit the exact shape of a space, with adhesive on both sides to keep it perfectly in place before embedding in thinset or self-leveling underlayment. The low-profile heating wires are UL certified, safe for wet locations, and engineered to keep electromagnetic fields at ultra-low levels. What sets this kit apart is the thermostat's smart control. Dual sensing, self-learning, and a 7-day programmable schedule balance comfort with energy efficiency. LuxHeat's decades of industry experience show in the build quality, backed by a 25-year limited warranty for the mat and 3 years for the thermostat. The result is a heating system that's easy to install, reliable for decades, and just as modern in looks as it is in performance. A warm welcome every time feet hit the floor. Coming in number 3. LuxHeat 100 square feet floor heating mat kit. The LuxHeat 100 square feet floor heating mat kit transforms chilly floors into a daily comfort ritual. Designed for tile, laminate, and more, this complete system includes a self-adhesive heating mat, cable monitor, and the sleek OJ Microline programmable thermostat with built-in GFCI. Installation is straightforward. The 3-inch pre-spaced mat can be cut, flipped, or rotated to fit, with adhesive on both sides to keep it flat before embedding in mortar or self-leveling compound. The ultra-thin, UL-certified heating wires are safe for wet areas and engineered with an aluminum shield to keep EMF levels ultra-low. The thermostat's 7-day scheduling, dual sensing, and intuitive touchscreen give precise control while helping manage energy costs. Backed by a 25-year limited warranty on the mat and 3 years on the thermostat, the system is built for long-term performance. Users praise its consistent warmth through multiple winters and the noticeable difference on cold mornings. Even when installation issues arise, LuxHeat's responsive customer service ensures a smooth resolution, sometimes even offering refunds without hassle. For large spaces or serious comfort upgrades, this kit delivers reliable heat, smart controls, and the kind of quality that earns repeat buyers. Coming in number 2. Heatwave Electric Floor Heating System. The Heatwave electric floor heating system brings steady, comfortable warmth to up to 15 square feet, making it perfect for bathrooms, small rooms, or even specialized spaces like pet areas. Compatible with tile, laminate, vinyl, and more, its self-adhesive mat and reversible design make installation simple. No professional crew required. The included 7-day programmable thermostat allows precise scheduling, supports both 120-volt and 240-volt, and comes with built-in GFCI protection for wet areas. Even better, the system runs efficiently, helping reduce the need for traditional heating and keeping energy costs in check. What truly stands out is Heatwave's customer service. Whether replacing a thermostat the same day or issuing a full refund well past Amazon's return window, the team, especially Josh, handles issues with speed, generosity, and zero hassle. This level of support turns a good product into a great investment. From cozy bathroom tiles to thoughtfully warmed whelping suites, the Heatwave system delivers consistent heat, adaptable installation, and a safety-focused design. It's an easy, cost-effective way to make cold floors a thing of the past, while knowing help is just a phone call away. Coming in number 1, Warming Systems 15 square feet floor heating mat. The Warming Systems 15 square feet floor heating mat delivers the kind of everyday luxury that makes winter mornings far more bearable. Made in the USA, it pairs a 20-inch by 9 feet UL-listed heating mat with the highly regarded TH115 and AF120S programmable thermostat and a floor sensor for precise, efficient temperature control. An installation monitor is also included, sounding an alarm if a wire is damaged during setup, a reassuring safeguard for DIYers. The mat's double-sided tape keeps it flat while being flipped or turned to fit odd-shaped rooms. At just 1/8 inch thick, it works under tile without significantly raising floor height, though thoughtful prep is key to managing transitions between heated and unheated areas. Once installed, it delivers noticeable warmth in 15 to 30 minutes, with peak comfort after about an hour. The thermostat's programmability means the floor can be toasty for a morning shower without lifting a finger. Users praise the mat's quality, value, and durability, with many returning for multiple installs in bathrooms for family and friends. While the thermostat's size and placement may require some creative solutions during renovations, the final result, a warm, comfortable floor that elevates any space, makes it worth the effort.